In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam not buying games. If your purchases aren't going through or you're seeing vague errors at checkout, follow along and we'll walk through a clean, reliable set of fixes to get you back to buying and playing. First, fully close Steam so nothing is running in the background. Use the system tray to exit, and then open Task Manager to make sure no Steam processes are left. This prevents stock services from interfering with the checkout flow. Next, relaunch Steam and sign back into your account. A fresh login renews your connection to Steam servers and often clears temporary account or session hiccups. Before you try another purchase, confirm your internet connection is stable. Open a couple of websites or start a quick stream to make sure you're not dealing with intermittent drops that could interrupt a transaction. Now head into your account settings and verify your payment details. Double-check the card number, expiration date, billing address, and any country or postal code fields. Even a small mismatch can trigger declines, so make sure everything exactly matches what your bank has on file. Clear Steam's download cache to remove corrupted data that can cause odd storefront or checkout behavior. In the Steam client, go to Settings, then Downloads, and select Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and you'll log in again. If issues persist, refresh Steam's core files. With Steam closed, open your Steam installation folder commonly in Program Files. Delete everything except Steam.exe, the Steam Apps folder, and the User Data folder. When you launch Steam again, it will rebuild what's needed without touching your installed games. If you've linked a payment provider like PayPal, reauthorize it in Steam's payment settings. Remove the old link, then add it back so Steam receives a fresh authorization from the provider. If you still see purchase errors, especially messages like an unexpected error has occurred, reach out to Steam support. They can review your account status, investigate error codes, and help clear any flags that might be blocking transactions. It's also helpful to review your purchase history from your account details. Look for failed or pending attempts, which can reveal what went wrong and whether you should retry or wait for a reversal. Finally, make sure your Steam client is up to date. In the Steam menu, check for client updates and restart if an update is available. Bug fixes in newer builds often resolve purchase problems. Follow these steps in order, and you should be able to complete purchases smoothly again. Thanks for watching.